Alis na kami guys. Uwi na kami sa Lispinhausen. Ayan, ready na po kami. Bye, bed. It's shut. Oh. Ayan, paalis na kami. Nandun na si Richard. Bitbitin niya yung mga dala namin. Ako bitbit ko din itong mga dala namin. Slowly. Ayan. Kabitbit na niya yung mga dala-dala namin. Ayan, mag-show muna ako guys bago ako kami aalis dito sa may Berlin. Let me show. First, mag-show muna ako dito.
Stop video. It's too dark.
Pauwi na kami. Cars. Guys, pauwi na kami sa Lispinhausen. Bye Berlin. Thank you for how many days? Na-stuck lang kami kasi nalock yung car sa parking park. Medyo madilim. Wala. Bye snow! Bye snow! See? Still snow in the other side. Ganda maglaro kasi sa snow. Ayan yung mga kagaya kong ignorante ng snow. Diba? Snow pang mga ano nila dito. May water. 4 hours from here. Driving. Inalis ko na yung coat ko kasi mainit. Hindi naman palamig dito sa loob ng car.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Mga cars may mga snow. Di ba? Mga cars tumatakbo may mga snow.
In 200 Metern.
We get out of Berlin.
Palabas. Di ba?
Oh. Think I missed it, darling.
Diyan na yan siya. Gawa siya ng sariling video.
Go.
Pastor.
In 100 Metern rechts abbiegen auf die A100 in Richtung
Nahulog.
Dresden.
Galing ng driver ko.
With me, you have to watch out.
Jetzt rechts abbiegen.
mga car o may mga snow. Matakbo yung mga car with snow. With snow.
Snow, let it snow.
It's nice experience with snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. How much you pay to the hotel? 100?
115.
They did not give us discount?
Yeah, the other 2 days I paid 250. So we get a little discount.
It's traffic jam.
I'm thirsty. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. It's now 8 o'clock. 8:10 in the morning. 8:10 in the morning.
That's why I want to get out of here fast.
See, it's traffic. We're
Yeah.
on the tunnel. Kasi yung mga dump truck, yung malalaking truck dumadaan sa ano nila tunnel. Big truck are going in the tunnel. In Singapore, just only cars. Yeah.
And where do the trucks go?
On the other side, there's a, what is that?
That's for trucks.
Yes.
That lane closed.
Babalot ng snow ang mga car dito tumatakbo. Yes,
In 2 Kilometern links halten und folgen Sie weiter der A115 in Richtung Magdeburg. In 1 Kilometer links halten auf die A115 in Richtung Magdeburg. Jetzt links halten. Der Streckenführung weiter folgen.
Diyan na.
That's what's in the farm. Italy.
Ha? Kita.
Italy.
From Italy.
Say goodbye in Berlin. We're out of Berlin city limits.
Palabas na kami ng Berlin, guys. Thank you, Berlin. You make me happy too much with your snow. you made me happy with the snow. And with my honey. Thank you, honey.
Happy with the snow. Snowman. Colin.
That's her.
Did he make something then?
No, because he cannot see.
He
How
doesn't-
much?
He can. Yeah, he can't taste much either.
Snow.
Snow.
Snow forest.
Germany has a lot of forest.
Yes. Walang katapusan is snow, guys. Never ends snow. Kabilang papunta sa Berlin, papasok sa Berlin, grabe ang traffic. Pada ako ng mga pine trees. Pine tree.
It's bumpy.
Snow na naman, guys. Snow flurry.
Snow. Snow. I told him we're going to the concentration camp. He goes, oh.
Are we going?
Yeah, you want to?
I don't go to you. We don't have time because you're going to
We get there at 11:15.
in our place.
No, at the concentration camp.
Okay. So what time is it?
2 hours, 3 hours, 2.5 hours.